Is the Microsoft Store throwing up the dreaded error code 0x87e00017, leaving you locked out of your favorite apps? Let's fix that. Our first suspect is often the simplest. Your system's date and time incorrect settings can mess with authentication for the Microsoft Store. So, let's head to your Windows settings, navigate to time and language, and then to date and time. Here, you want to ensure that Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both toggled to on. If they are already on, try toggling them off and then back on again after making any adjustments. Click Sync Now to apply the changes. Sometimes a simple reset of these settings is all it takes. Next up, network issues can be a silent killer of Microsoft Store functionality. Your PC needs a stable connection to communicate with the store's servers. Go to your Windows settings once more, then to Network and Internet, and select Status. Here, you'll see your network connection. Try disconnecting from your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then reconnecting. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider temporarily switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Just to see if the connection type is the issue, a strong, stable internet connection is crucial. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that's surprisingly effective for prelated problems. Navigate to Windows settings, then Update and Security, and choose Troubleshoot. Look for Microsoft Store apps, and click Run the Troubleshooter. This tool will automatically scan for and attempt to fix common issues plaguing the store. Let it complete its process, and if it finds any problems, it will guide you through the resolution steps. Sometimes, the store's own files can become corrupted. We can try resetting the Microsoft Store app to resolve this. Go back to Windows settings, then Apps, and select Apps and Features. Scroll down or search for Microsoft Store. Click on it. Then select Advanced Options. Here, you'll find the Repair and Reset options. Start with Repair. If that doesn't do the trick, try Reset. Be aware that resetting will remove the app and its data, essentially giving it a fresh start after either process. Try opening the Microsoft Store again. Finally, a command that can clear the Microsoft Store cache is often a lifesaver. Press your Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type in the command wsreset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will briefly appear and then disappear. This indicates the cache has been cleared. Once it's done, your Microsoft Store should open normally.